Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my reselling business, brought to you by Beats Media, a channel dedicated to helping you grow your reselling business. So like I mentioned in previous episodes, we are throwing away the keeping track of what week number it is and what episode number it is. If you guys want to watch the reselling videos in order, there's always going to be a playlist in the description below. But I'm throwing away the episode numbers and the week numbers because I want to be able to produce a couple videos a week if I can, and I feel like by doing weekly updates I am limiting myself in terms of I have to put everything that sold from Monday through Sunday onto one video. But instead, if I have a really busy sale day, I want to be able to just make one video and post it for you guys. In addition to, we're also going to be selling on Poshmark and Amazon, so that's why we're just retitling the series Reselling Business, even though primarily I'm going to be focusing on eBay as my main website. So today I actually was able to make a Poshmark sale. I sold a pair of LuLaRoe leggings, and if you guys remember correctly, I picked up a whole bag of LuLaRoe leggings on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody was just giving it away for free, and I was like, hey, I could resell all of that. So I picked it up and sold a lime-ish green colored pair for $13. My profit was $8 and I think 25 cents. Obviously I have it on the screen. So let's go over what sold the past couple days. So today we sold a game on eBay. I actually purchased this at a yard sale for 50 cents. I'll have the listing on the screen here, in addition to how much profit I made after shipping costs, eBay fees, etc. All right, just sold another thing today. I sold these printer ink cartridges. So I bought these as a lot at a garage sale for $8, and this is what I resold it for, and here is my buy cost and my profit after fees. Next thing, we sold this AM/FM radio, this cassette player. So it actually has batteries that come with it that I actually found also at the bargain bin. So got this at a really good price if I had to pay anything at all, because I think the trip pretty much paid for itself. So I'll have the buy cost in addition to the amount of profit that we made. Like that. There we go. We have the cassette player all bubble wrapped at this point, and we're gonna put it in this box. Sweet, very light, very easy to package that one. I finally was able to sell this cash register. I took a best offer of $55, and I do believe my buy cost for this was around $7 or $8, obviously, on the screen. So this is going to be pretty fun to ship. I need to find a box that is actually able to fit this in. I do believe that bread box might be able to fit it. I know this can't because this item is too tall, so that might be the way to go. I also picked up something in this box over here, so this is an option to ship the register, but I might have to do it standing up. So I'll go through my options off screen just so I could pick the best box, and we're gonna ship that bad boy towards the end of the video. So I was trying to think earlier this week, why have my sales been slowing down the past couple weeks? And I realized that one of the reasons is because I've been trying to get as much profit from everything as possible instead of just trying to sell it real quick and then move on to the next item in my inventory. Because currently I have a couple things that still are not posted on eBay, and it's just kind of sitting around because I only have 50 listings on my account and 50 listings on my wife's account. So eventually I do want to start paying for an eBay store. I just haven't reached that point yet. So in the next few weeks, I'm going to try to be lowering my prices just a little bit, just to match like either the cheapest price or at least close to the cheapest price in an attempt to improve my sales, and we'll see how that works out. I also want to start buying a lot more clothes for Poshmark. I actually have a bunch of my old clothes here that I'm going to list. I'm not sure how well graphic tees that are going to sell on Poshmark, but I'm just going to have them basically as add-on items so that people could purchase something and then not feel like they only got one item and have to pay shipping. So these are going to be great for add-ons. I also need to get the pair of LuLaRoy leggings from that crate there. All right, so it's Saturday. My wife actually sold something on her profile last night, so it was a pair of shorts. So I have that listing on the screen. We're gonna package the shorts, we're gonna package the LuLaRoy from Poshmark, and we're also gonna package that cash register. Now the post office closes at 12, so we're gonna have to get this done pretty quickly just to get it over there, but you guys are gonna join me. Just gonna package the LuLaRoy in just one of these poly bags. So if you guys want to purchase any of these poly bags, really easy to ship with and works well with clothes, so I'll leave links to that in the description below. Just slide that in. Just like that, we have our package. We're gonna do the same thing to these Hollister shorts. There we go, the shorts. I have these marked just so I know what shipping label to put on each item. Nope, it's not gonna work. All right, first we're gonna line the bottom up with newspaper. Time to line this baby up with some bubble wrap. So here we have the unit when it is completely packaged up. There's a chance that I might have used too much bubble wrap, but better safe than sorry, especially when selling electronics. Don't want this getting to the buyer and it being broken. So let's slap this into the box and send it on its way. Slide this in here. Alright, just want to show you guys a glimpse of what it looks like in the box. So here's the unit perfectly bubble wrapped up. Also have a couple of these air packets that are just filling up along the lines. That way if there's any shift in movement during the shipping process, it's just going to hit those air bubbles. And I wasn't able to slide any in between the sides here, but put a layer of newspaper here, a layer of newspaper here. Also reinforced the air bubbles here with some more newspaper, and gonna stack the top with newspaper just in case it ships towards the top, and we're gonna duct tape this down. Awesome. Did the test and we should be good. Yep. Take that one side. All right. Now to go print out the shipping labels, and we're gonna go to the post office. All right, so I just got to the post office and I'm not too sure the filming rules, so I'm not gonna film inside, but we're gonna end the video here. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.